Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing software. And in this video, I will show you on how to adjust your track height in Filmora video editing software. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here, for instance, this track right here, I can decide to increase the height or decrease or as case may be. So for that, what we want to do is to come to the track right here, right click on the track environment right here, go ahead and click on adjust track height. So you can decide to make it small. You have something tiny like this, or you can come back right here and right click on the outside of the track right here, and then go ahead and click on adjust track height. You can make it big. So once you make it big, then you have something like this, and you have a very big track right here. You can adjust the wave. This will allow you to see audio wave of the clip in the timeline properly, just like what you see right here. So you can go on and adjust as many as possible. You can right click again, adjust track height, then we can go ahead and return back to normal track height, and you have something like this. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Filmora video editing software like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.